So hi guys, இந்த ஒரு ஹோட்டல் vlog வந்து ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 2.5 வருஷம் மேலே ஆகுது எடுத்து. கரெக்டாக வந்து 2018 மார்ச் இல்லைனா ஏப்ரலில் எடுத்தேன் இந்த ஒரு ஹோட்டல் vlog. இங்கிலீஷில் எடுத்தேன். அப்போ வந்து எனக்கு நிறைய சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் இல்லை, வியூவர்ஸ் இல்லை. அப்போ போடும்போது அவ்வளோ வியூஸ் போகல. ஸோ இந்த வாட்டி நிறைய வியூவர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க நமக்கு. சிங்கப்பூர்லாம் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பார்ப்பீங்க சிங்கப்பூர் பற்றி. ஸோ அதனால் எதுக்கு இப்போ போடக்கூடாதுன்னு போடுறேன். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இன்னொரு ரீசன் எதுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ இப்போ போடுறேன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, நான் உங்களுக்கே நிறைய நாளாக சொல்லியிருந்தேன் நான் சென்னைக்கு ஷிஃப்ட் ஆக போகிறேன்னு. ஸோ அதான் இப்போ வந்து நான் சிங்கப்பூர் வீடியோஸ் முடிய போகுது, இந்த ஒரு ஃபேஸ் முடிய போகுது. ஸோ அது முன்னால் ஒரு ஹோட்டல் வீடியோஸோ போட்டு முடிச்சிடலான்னு தான் ஒரு ஐடியா. ஸோ ஹோட்டல் வீடியோஸ் வந்து ஒரு 2-3 வீடியோஸ் இருக்குது, ஹோட்டல் vlogs. ஸோ வேறு லெவலில் இருக்கும் அந்த ஹோட்டலில், கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நான் எதுக்கு சென்னைக்கு போகிறேன் அதோட ரீசன்ஸ்லாம் நான் ஒரு வீடியோ பண்ணியிருந்தேன், அது வரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து சிங்கப்பூர் டு இந்தியா ஒரு ட்ராவல் vlog வரும் கண்டிப்பாக. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக ஸ்டே டியூன் பண்ணுங்கள். வரக்கூடிய வீடியோஸ் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும், இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்கும். அண்ட் இந்த ஹோட்டல் vlog கண்டிப்பாக மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். வேறு லெவலில் வியூவில் இருக்கும். இட்ஸ் லைக் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பெஸ்ட் ஹோட்டல்ஸு இது வரைக்கும் சிங்கப்பூரில் கூட. ஸோ நீங்கள் பாருங்கள், கண்டிப்பாக பிடிச்சிருக்கோம். அந்த ஹோட்டலில் கிடைக்கிற வியூலாம் செம்ம சான்ஸ்லெஸ்ஸு. அந்த டைமில் எடுத்த கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசியிருப்பேன் ஒரு மாதிரியா. ஸோ கொஞ்சம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு புரியும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ கொஞ்சம் எடிட்டிங் கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாக மொக்கையாக இருக்கும் இப்போ கம்பேர் பண்ண விட. ஸோ கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து பாருங்கள். எனிவேஸ் இந்த வீடியோ வந்து பார்த்துட்டு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இந்த ஹோட்டல் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். இப்போ வாங்க வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Good afternoon. I'm here at a hotel right now. It's a 5-star hotel. Staying here for the weekend. Check out the room. It's epic, guys. You guys see? You guys can see literally we have like 2 master beds here, so 4 people can sleep in our room. Really nice. They have, you know what's the best part? We have a really cool view. Check it out. You guys can see. Whoa! Look at that view, guys. You literally have the city right in front of you guys. Whoa, oh my god, this is the first time I'm staying in a hotel in Singapore. Check out the view, guys. I mean, imagine. And check out, there's one more thing. This hotel here, I mean this building here, I think that's literally gold plated windows, you know. That's apparently a house, you know, like luxury houses there. I mean, you have to buy for millions. And the other buildings are basically all these offices, corporate places and stuff. And there's buildings there, you guys can see like all this house. It's really cool. I think if you get the room the other side or this side, I'm not really sure, you can have the sea view actually. But anyways, even this view is really good. But regardless, even this view is really nice. You know, waking up to such a view is really beautiful, guys. And you know the best, and you know the other stuff here, you know, there's like a table here, if you guys can see. They literally have a table here so you can work, do study and anything else, you know, you can do here. They also have some papers here. I'll show you guys what that is. Actually, it's some information regarding the hotel facilities here. And you guys can see they have like a seat there, you know, you can just like stretch out your legs and sit there like in the sofa place, rest your legs. Really cool. And you know, they also have an alarm clock, you know, literally an alarm clock for you to wake up. You can set up the time and wake up early morning whenever it rings, you know. I'm stating the obvious, but yeah, they actually have an alarm clock. I mean, in an age where you have phones to wake you up, yeah, it's like a additional feature, guys. And another thing is that they have a television. Obviously, most hotels have televisions here. You guys can see they literally have a television. There's BBC running on it. I've muted it so because I'm recording. And guys, I literally in my lifetime I've only taken a shower or a bath. I'm not really sure which word applies, but I've literally taken a bath in a jacuzzi once in lifetime, and that was in Malaysia when I went for a school excursion, and they had a hotel there where they had jacuzzi and stuff where you could take a bath there. But this is the second time in my life. I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, I'm here at the toilet. A better word will be restroom, bathroom. Guys can see here jacuzzi. This is like gonna be my second time I'm gonna use the jacuzzi my whole life. I'm excited. You could just chill here, guys. And the best part, check out the view. Epic view. You have the city right there. Like you lie down, shower, watch the city. It's gonna be really nice. The stay is gonna be nice for me. And that's the door. If you guys can see, you literally need an access card to get inside. You tap and the lock just opens automatically. And they also have a cool thing. You guys can check out. They have a cupboard here. You can keep your clothes here. See? What? See, they have literally. You can just sit down here. I mean, you can sit here. You can just sit. Wear on your shoes, your slippers, anything. They literally have drawers. They have something here. You guys can see. They actually have this thing which you can use for toilet, or you can use it in the room itself. I don't know what this bag is, but anyways, I don't really care. They have this shoe stuff. You usually see the plastic one. This is actually literal wood. Really cool, and it's big enough. They have one more here. Oh, this is not the shoe thingy. This is like the cleaner. If you want to clean dust from your shoe. Then another thing is that they have literally an iron here. What? Okay, they have an iron. I'm not really sure what this is. I have no idea what this is. Okay, I think that's torchlight. Okay, I think that's torchlight. I don't care. And they have. Oh my god. Okay, and they have this hangers here. They have like this rope. They have an ironing board. Where else would you iron? You obviously need an iron board to iron, right? And yeah, I'm closing this. Really cool place. And I'm not sure if I already mentioned, but they have a place here to sit and chill. You guys can watch a TV right here. You guys can see to basically sit here, keep your stuff there. Really cool. What else is in this place? I'll take you through the toilet. So you guys can see I'm in the toilet right now. They have a jacuzzi here. They literally have a jacuzzi, and you can see the view, guys. Check out the city view. You're gonna lie down, see the view. Crazy view. They also have a toilet here, if you guys can see. Yeah, that's the toilet inside. And yeah, they have tissue papers for you to clean up. In some, they actually have like a jet pipe, but here they have tissues, but it's alright. And they have, check out the mirror here. Whoa, check out the mirror, guys. And, and look at the tap. Really cool. They have some cups here. I don't really know what they're used for. They have tissue papers here. They have some soap, Indian soap here. Some soap. I'm not sure what means it. Okay, this is actually a stand, okay? And they have something about the white tea here, because the soap itself is some white tea. I'm not sure. They are explaining what that is actually. They have free toothbrush, comb, every other essentials you need. Towels, hair dryer especially. Check it out. They have hair dryer. Okay, anyways, the other cool part is you guys can see they have a mirror here. You guys can see this is like a zoom up mirror. If you guys can see, yeah, you can see him in a zoom manner. See, I'm literally like so close to the mirror. I'm not really close, but zoomed up. What the cool part is? This thing, it's connected to the thingy. I'm not sure what that is, but if you tap here, it's capacitive. If you touch, this light apparently changes. So just check it out. I'm gonna tap. Whoa! It just blacked out. White, a little blue. I'm not sure what color this is. A little lighter and black. Bright, light, and black. Blackout. And you have a plug point to put shavers only. Literally, they have shavers only written here. They have a hair dryer. So they also have a place to take shower here. You guys can see. Oh yeah, you have to pull it up. Yeah. Okay, you pull it in, and yeah, you guys can see there's literally a hand shower. So water comes from this. If you guys don't know, obviously most of you guys know. And they actually have shampoos and conditioners and body wash. You see them here. This is body wash. This is conditioner. And they have shampoo as well. And they have soaps here. I mean, you can shower here. I mean, yeah. Or you could take a bath in a jacuzzi. The coolest part I like about this hotel is, you know, you have a jacuzzi here, literally a jacuzzi, and you have a city view. I mean, what else do you want when you take a shower? I mean, it's like life is complete, guys. Blessed to be in this hotel. It's really nice. Check out, they have actually marble floors here when you enter in, and yeah, and they also have marble. I mean, this is all made of marble, high quality, really good. And if you guys can see, they have water here to drink. It's written free and clear. These two are free actually, and they literally have another water bottle, which is basically Fiji natural artesian water, which is $8 here. It's very expensive. I'll be literally drinking water from the free ones. The hotel's really nice. I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. There's actually gyms here. They have spa here. They literally have cool stuff here. They actually have an infinity pool, but you know what's the problem is? It's undergoing maintenance for 1 month, and it's actually opening only like 23rd April or 22nd April. So you know, I'm staying only for 3 days here, so which is a bad thing. But actually, I asked the receptionist. The receptionist told me that they'll bring you to JW Marriott Hotel if you're really interested in swimming, and the cost will be covered by them, which is really cool. So I might actually go for swimming this weekend. Okay guys, so I'm sitting here in the desk, if you guys can see, and as I was telling you guys, the infinity pool here in this Westin Hotel is actually closed down for maintenance, and I told you it's there in the letter itself. They have a paper here, a notice saying that you can't use the infinity pool. You check it out. I'm gonna read it out to you guys, and so you guys can see. It says, scheduled maintenance work, hotels, infinity pool. Welcome to Westin Singapore. It's a pleasure to have you with us to ensure our facilities are in optimum working condition and maintain the highest standards of quality, safety, blah, 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 blah. They say maintenance work on hotels, infinity pool from Friday 22 March to Sunday 22. Oh my god. You know, this is the wrong timing coming here. They apparently have a maintenance. And as I guys told you guys, JW Marriott Singapore, they have arrangements there, so you don't have to pay anything extra at all. It's already included in your room stay. And I'm going to go for the gym in some time and take a shower soon, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. And yeah. So check it out guys, I'm here at the gym right now. See, you guys can see behind me there's all this training zone, and there's all this equipment, so you guys can see. The dumbbells are here, the other machines are here, and they also have these guidelines for safe exercises with instructions. Each numbered also, and they also have a bunch of towels you can use to clean up yourself, and you can dispose of them in the dustbin. So yo, what is up again guys? I just finished up at the gym right now. I'm kind of sweaty, I'm kind of tired as well. I'm gonna end off the vlog right now. I'm gonna take a shower, and yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, share, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, can you guys see? This is a Rolls Royce. I just came down to get some dinner, and check it out, there's a Rolls Royce in front of me. I'm mind blown guys. This is the first time I'm seeing a Rolls Royce. Oh, look at the color, it's really good. Oh, the plate number, 2-digit. Oh, very expensive. So lucky to see this car. So guys, did you actually see that? It was like an actual Rolls Royce on the valet guys. I thought of ending off the vlog as you guys saw, but literally I just ended up seeing a Rolls Royce when I was on my way to get dinner. When I went down the lobby, it was there parked at the valet. Was blessed and lucky to see that car. You know, it's the first time I'm seeing a Rolls Royce in my life. I've seen it in videos, but oh my god, it's such a beauty when you see it in real life.